now.
I'm Nick. We're at Nebraska National Forest, and I'm going to show you how to do the beaver chew with my Mora. So, you start out like this. You have your knife at an angle, and then you press in. You press in, and then you go to the side. You see how I did it there?
Mm-hmm.
And then you go to the other side. And then you go to the other side. And then you just cut into those notches you made. And then you press in, and then it'll come right out. Like this.
All right, put your knife away and break it off.
And then if you have dry wood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dry wood, you can grab it and then snap it.
Very good beaver chew.
Daddy.
Yeah.